So we're here at the Recycled Park Rotterdam. So what we're doing here is not only the retrieval of the plastics, but also the recycling and the reuse of these plastics into something new and durable, and that even supports the ecosystem. So what we do, we organize cleanups to retrieve the plastics from the rivers and to clean up the river shores. But at the same time, we found an innovation in passive litter traps. So the plastics is caught within our litter traps, and in that way it's very easy to get the plastics, to bring it to the sorting and recycling facility, and to reuse these plastics for recycling. Yeah, so we see here that the Recycled Park makes a lot of sense because it supports the ecosystem here, but of course elsewhere we have to develop other kind of products. So we already made a very good test with 3D printing. We can already make furniture, but also nowadays we are developing building blocks that we can use to develop housing. So in that way we can offer a kind of catalog with the different kind of products and techniques that can be used to really upcycle the plastics that we retrieve from the rivers and the ports. Well, we really have to educate the next generation to work on this issue on a professional level, to make them aware, but also to teach them that this is a real issue, but that they can also make the difference themselves. Yeah, of course this is a global problem, so we also need to find global collaborations and global partners to really be able to make the difference and to really stop all these plastics from entering our seas and oceans.